Hey everyone, we're here at Team 24 in Barcelona. It's great to have you here
Thank
today.
you for having me.
Yeah,
Thank
great
you.
to meet you. Do you mind telling us a little bit about yourself and your company?
Yeah, I am Firas Mkaouar. I'm the co-founder of Creativas, Platinum Marketplace partner. I've been in the marketplace ecosystem since 15 years now, and we have a portfolio of five apps. And today I'm going to show you one of these called Smart Tables for Confluence.
Awesome. Do you mind sharing your personal favorite features? Give us a little overview of your app.
Yeah, of course, I can show you that, but maybe let's go to a little bit to the background, how the essence of the app. It was an app that was essentially for on-premise users. It addresses something that is missing in Confluence tables, which is calculations, and we had this idea of bringing these Excel formulas inside Confluence. And then as people try to began to move to cloud, we see that as an opportunity to revamp the app and to add extra features in the cloud. So today I'm going to show you the cloud version of Smart Tables. So essentially, let's take here it's just simple sales reporting in which you have a couple of leads and status for each of these data. So it's a basic table, Confluence table that we add in our macro. Okay. And then once you have it within Smart Tables, you'll be able to filter out data based on content here. Okay. You can also add filter columns. For example, I want to move this. Okay. And you can also edit data while you are in the view mode. You're not obliged to switch to the edit mode and get back and forth between the two modes. You can also actually add also formulas as here. It's a calculation. It is rendered as if it is in Excel, but it's actually a Confluence table. And you can generate a graph based on the data that you provide here. So if, for example, here I'm just gonna choose the lead source, for example, only these, that's gonna update automatically the graph based on that data.
And so if you wanted to generate a new graph, how would you go about
yeah,
that?
actually, it's a good question. So here you can add chart,
Oh, okay.
and you can have it here, and then you can change if you want. If you can change the style, like here, you can add it stacking or not. You can switch the arrows and rows and columns, and you can change also the style. A lot of options possible here. You can also export this view if you want to export it. People not using Confluence, PDF, or whatever. And you can also add, we added recently the pivot table, so that you can you can get data in a certain format that would be used for other purposes. For example, this is the pivot table. So, and we are thinking also, we are also adding, working on extra features like collaboration, real-time collaboration, and also AI features that are coming soon.
Oh,
Yeah,
very exciting.
yeah.
On the AI
Yeah,
train.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Do you mind giving us some insight of what we can expect with the AI features?
Well, actually, it's still in the ovens.
Okay.
But let's say well, we're working on, for example, the generation of the formula. You're not if you're not familiar with SQL, which is query language, you can speak with natural language. You just express natural language. I want from this column certain data with certain criteria, and that would generate automatically the formula using AI, and that would spare a lot of time. Yeah.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited to see that, and thank you so much for the overview.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you for
helpful.
having me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, it's great having you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the event.
Yeah, we're actually Atlassian team is a fantastic event to connect to share ideas, feedback, and also to strengthen partnership with Atlassian and all the partners in the ecosystem. So
couldn't agree more. Yeah, it's a great time.
Yeah.
Awesome. Have a great day.
Thank you.